The topic of today's video is how to contact AliExpress suppliers for dropshipping. So first step would be to go onto the AliExpress app because the website is absolutely atrocious. So pick any item or the actual item that you are going to dropship so that you can get to the company you're trying to contact. So I'm just going to pick anything random. Let's pick this CPU. Okay, and then we want to click on it again. Alright, so now on the product page, what we want to do is scroll all the way down till we find the actual supplier. And there we are, Lihen Global Store, and we're just going to click on their name. And now you can follow them if you want to easily find them again, but you want to click on this weird little white chatbot icon. And that'll bring you in here. So now you are going to be talking to a bot at first. So what you'll do is you want to click on get help and follow the prompt from there, but try to make it clear that you want to speak to a human representative. Now, I'm obviously not going to do all this because that would clearly be wasting the supplier's time and is kind of the reason why chatbots exist in the first place. But anyways, that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.